In the remote mountains of Tibet, nestled among ancient pine trees and serene landscapes, there lived a wise Zen master named Rinzai. Legend had it that Rinzai possessed a unique ability. He could read anyone's mind. Villagers spoke of his extraordinary gift with a mixture of awe and reverence, and seekers from far and wide made pilgrimages to seek his wisdom. Embark on a journey to the mystical mountains of Tibet, where the legendary Zen master Rinzai unveils the secrets of the human mind. Get ready for a tale of skepticism, transformation, and the extraordinary power of wisdom. Before we dive into this captivating story, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more thought-provoking narratives. One day, a skeptical young man named Kaito journeyed to the mountains to test the reputed abilities of the Zen master. Kaito, a scholar of logic and reason, was known for his sharp intellect and skepticism towards anything that seemed mystical. He believed that the mind could not be read by anyone, no matter how enlightened. Upon reaching the monastery, Kaito was greeted by the wise old monk. The air was thick with the scent of incense, and the sound of distant prayers echoed through the hills. Kaito approached Rinzai with a smirk, confident that the master's claims were mere exaggerations. Rinzai, however, welcomed Kaito with a warm smile. "Ah, young one, I sense skepticism in your heart. Stay with us for a while and you may discover truths beyond the confines of logic." Intrigued and slightly amused, Kaito agreed to stay at the monastery. The days turned into weeks, and Kaito observed Rinzai's teachings with a critical eye. The Zen master spoke in riddles, using metaphor and allegory to convey profound truths about the nature of the mind. One day, Rinzai called Kaito to his chamber. "I sense doubt within you. Let us explore the depths of your mind." Kaito, still unconvinced, decided to play along. "Very well, wise master. Read my mind and tell me what you find." Rinzai closed his eyes and entered a deep state of meditation. After a while, he opened his eyes and spoke. "You carry the burden of a past betrayal, a wound that festers in the recesses of your soul." Kaito's eyes widened in shock. How could this monk, who had never met him before, know about the betrayal that haunted his every step? Rinzai continued, "But do not let the shadows of the past control your present. Embrace forgiveness, and you will find the peace you seek." The revelation struck Kaito to the core. Unbeknownst to others, he had been grappling with the pain of a betrayal that had scarred him deeply. The Zen master's words resonated in the chambers of his heart, stirring emotions he had long buried. In the following days, Kaito underwent a transformation. He engaged in deep introspection, confronting the demons of his past and gradually releasing the chains that bound him. Rinzai guided him through meditation and philosophical discussions, unraveling the mysteries of the mind. As weeks turned into months, Kaito's skepticism melted away, replaced by a profound respect for the wisdom of the Zen master. He came to understand that Rinzai's ability to read minds was not about supernatural powers, but a deep insight into the human condition. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple, Kaito approached Rinzai with gratitude in his eyes. "Master, you have opened my mind to truths I never thought possible. I am forever indebted to you." Rinzai chuckled, his eyes twinkling with serenity. "The mind is like a vast ocean, young one. Beneath its surface lie treasures and storms alike. The key is not to control the waves, but to navigate them with wisdom and compassion." With newfound wisdom and a heart unburdened by the weight of the past, Kaito bid farewell to the mountain monastery. As he descended the winding paths, the echoes of Rinzai's teachings accompanied him, like a gentle breeze guiding him through the journey of life. The legend of the mind-reading Zen master lived on, not as a mystical tale of supernatural abilities, but as a story of profound insight and the transformative power of understanding the human soul. From the serene peaks of Tibet to the depths of the human soul, the story of Zen Master Rinzai and Kaito is a journey of enlightenment and transformation. If you found this tale as captivating as we did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell. Join our community for more enchanting stories and insightful narratives. Until next time, may your path be filled with wisdom and compassion. Thanks for watching, and remember, the adventure continues with your support. Subscribe now for more tales that inspire and resonate.